So how can you search a silent Android phone? And let's get started. So if you have the silent mode enabled and you just can't call yourself, right? So if that doesn't really make sense, how can you find your phone in this situation? So in that case, what I would recommend you to do is to use a different device, no matter if it's a computer or a different phone from someone else. But using that device, just look up the Find Hub by Google. And it is a service which lets you sign in with the very same Google account and then search for your existing devices on a map, right? So if you have any devices added to that account, you can just search and find them, as I said, within like a map view. So you can browse and just zoom in to see where exactly they are and when was the last time when this information was available. But not only that, if it's somewhere closer to you, like you lost it somewhere around the house or something, you can click on a play sound and it should also be able to play the sound even in the silent mode, right? It should override these settings and you can just click on that and basically try to find it based on the sound right here. So that's how it works. As I said, for this, you don't really need any kind of like specific device. It might be an iPhone or a Mac computer, even. So that's pretty much how you can find it. Outside of that, of course, if you have a smartwatch or a smart speaker, you can use those to locate your phone. But I assume this is not the case for the majority of people. So I'm really curious. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to find and locate your phone using this method. Let me know about that. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.